What's up, YouTube fam? It's been a while. It's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. In this video, I wanted to share my top 4 Holy Grail skincare products that has really made a change. I've seen a major improvement in my skin over the last 4 months, I would say. These products right here, I'm showing them here. It's 4. Some you may be familiar with, some you may not be, but I'm going to go over them in detail as I do my morning skincare routine. But if you look here at the close-up of my skin, it's a major difference from some of my previous videos. If you look at like my last 10 videos, you'll see the issues that my skin has been going through. But before I made this video and shared, I wanted to kind of make sure this routine was working for me. So this product here is called Glow 10. Most of you may not be familiar with this company. It's by the Glow Doctor. I'll tag all of the information for all products in the description, but I love how it came in this like medicine style bottle, like with some cute like refill details, and like it was just a super cute concept. But I've used their moisturizer before. I hadn't used the cleanser, so I wanted to try the cleanser to see, you know, how it treats my skin. Now this was a little bit hard to open when I first opened it, even like reusing it, and you know, every time you open it, it's hard to open. But I normally keep the bottle outside of the medicine bottle, this green bottle here. But for the purposes of the video, I wanted to show you guys how it comes. Unrefined virgin oil. So I love this because it's not like a soap cleanser, and it's like super quick and easy to remove dirt from your face, especially makeup. When you use this at night to get rid of your makeup, it comes off so easily. All you do is rub it in. It's all essential oils, doesn't burn your eyes. Smells good, smells really natural, but has a little bit of a nice clean scent to it. And pretty much all you do is it tells you on the bottle to use like a half a dropper, pour it in your hand with clean hands, and just massage it into your skin. Based on their instructions, they want this to be like a at-home spa experience for yourself every time you're cleansing. This was me just smelling it because I love the smell. But you just pour it into your hands like this, and then you work it into your skin for like, I think the bottle says like 30 seconds, and you can repeat as needed. But you can see right now before this, I have eyeliner still on my face a little bit from the previous day because I didn't properly remove my makeup like I should. But you're gonna see as I rub this in how easily the eyeliner comes off, and again, it doesn't burn your eyes. So that's the part I really love, because a lot of these products for cleansers, they're, you know, if you accidentally get in your eye, it burns XYZ. So that's another reason I really like this product. And I found that just over time, using this as a cleanser, it's very gentle, it's natural. It's really like gently cleanse my skin. And it's helped to get rid of like reoccurring bumps or acne that was coming on my face for some strange reason, maybe stress, or just maybe me trying to use all these different products to combat my skin just kind of made it worse. So I limited to just 4 products, natural ingredients for the most part, and just limiting what I put on my skin and just being gentle to my skin. I think it's so important to have gentle products so that your skin is like well taken care of. You prevent scarring, and just like my acne has been under control. And I really contribute most of that to this product because I was using all of these like drugstore cleansers, and it was just a mess. It was really, bumps were just reoccurring on my skin and just wasn't helpful. So I had to stop using those. And I haven't seen that with this cleanser. So you guys should definitely check it out. Like I said, it smells so good. It's natural. So it's, unless you're allergic to any of the oils, you know, I think this is a good product to try. So you can already see how nice my skin is looking. Again, this is the bottle. I love the bottle. It's so cute. I just love the packaging in general. And right here, like the expiration, all the little details on the bottle is just super cute. So this is a product you guys may not have been familiar with, but I definitely wanted to share it along with some products that you may be familiar with or have used in your skincare routines. But this is definitely a holy grail product for me. So that's step 1, is to cleanse your face. Obviously, everybody has this skincare routine. So also it says once you finish rubbing the oil into your face, use a warm or hot rag, a clean rag, to kind of massage the oil off, and it just gives like such a spa-like feel. And I don't know if I've ever done this before with the cleanser, like using a hot or steam rag, but it was definitely therapeutic, and I definitely have incorporated this into my everyday morning and nighttime routine. You can see that leftover eyeliner on my bottom line is completely gone, and this was in a matter of seconds, really, from massaging the oil into. So number 2 is witch hazel. I'm sure everybody has heard of this, but it's a natural, like, astringent. It's a good to tone your skin. So I've been using this for a while, but I feel like it's been helpful, but it's been hard to tell because I've been using these drugstore cleansers and just trying to find the right mix of products for your skincare routine to see what really works. And that's why I waited so long to do this video, this updated video, to really see what works, adding or removing something from my skincare routine to see how my skin reacts to that, to make sure I understand what's actually working and what's not. So witch hazel is definitely, I've tried to use apple cider vinegar as a toner before, which works as well. I just hate the smell. So witch hazel works just as good to keep your skin tone, try to keep, an even skin tone. So just put that on with a cotton ball, not too much. Don't drench your face. And then Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I've been using this for a while. I was using their full kit with the cleanser, the pads, and this. But I don't think the cleanser and the pads really did anything for me. But this cream I think is pretty good for when you have a lot of bumps. Honestly, it helps to get rid of them. Honestly, I've seen such a difference with the bumps that were on my cheeks. If y'all look back on my older videos, it's always a nasty, ugly bump popping up on my cheek. And I think this cream really helped to get rid of that, and then to get rid of the dark marks that it leaves when it's gone. When I'm not using this though, I'll use like almond oil for my skin, which works good too, but I just think that this helps with like getting rid of the bumps and getting rid of the like aftermath marks from the bumps. And then last thing, I believe like sunscreen is a year-round thing, not just a summertime thing. So I put this on. I try to put this Black Girl sunscreen on every day before I leave out the house, because the skin, if the sun, if y'all know it or not, it's like so dangerous and it's just like such harsh on your skin. So I think sunscreen is definitely a daily thing before you go out of the house, like as a part of your morning skincare routine. So massage it into your skin. I definitely think I probably overdid it. I probably overdid it with the sunscreen today, but I feel like it's not going to hurt you to put too much. Just rub it in so you don't have like any white residue or any like leftover sunscreen on your face. But as you may or may not know, Black Girl sunscreen creates sunscreen for melanated skin. So you're not going to be left, if you're a person of color, you're not going to be left with like this ashy look. It definitely gives you a nice glow on top of what the previous products you use in your skincare routine give you. But I hope y'all can see, this is just a close-up. My skin is not perfect, but it has improved so much. I think, like I said, these products, I've tried them. I've been doing this routine for like a month now, and it's definitely helped. So I hope this video helps you. I hope you try some of the products. Again, I'll link it in the description, all the products I use and where you can purchase it. And I will be back with a new video soon. I'm gonna try not to go too long without posting again. And for all of my DIY lovers, I have some more projects coming up, so stay tuned. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button.